Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's tutorial, I'm gonna guide you through how to turn on dark mode on Paxful application using Android. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Start off by tap and open your Paxful application from the app drawer and make sure that you're logged in. Soon after you're logged into your account, tap on the Account tab at the bottom right hand corner. From the Accounts tab, scroll down until you see the dark mode option. Give it a tap and tap on the On button in order to turn on your dark mode on Paxful app. If you'd ever like to disable the dark mode option, tap on dark mode one more time and tap on the Off button. You can also select System if you'd like to adjust the appearance based on your device's settings. That was how you can easily turn on dark mode on Paxful application. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thanks for watching.